So 12th class, good afternoon. We are again back, okay? And I'll be discussing the sample paper for my SQL questions. So we were on the question alter table command where you were supposed to add up one new column with the name discount. Ninth question, first part. Ninth question, first. A table item has been created, in the database with the following field: item code, item name, quantity, and price. Give the SQL command to add a new field discount. So whenever you are to make changes in the table, our command is alter table. Use the add keyword. Alter table item, add keyword. Write the name of the field which you want to add and enter the table name. Sorry, not table name, data type. Okay, clear? Second part. Categorize the following commands into DDL and DML. अब ये commands दी हुई हैं, इनमें से आपने DDL अलग करनी है, DML अलग करनी है. Yes. What are your views? Day before yesterday, we have done this concept, DDL and DML. Who will tell which commands are DDL? Again, the same hand. Only one hand, always and always and always. Bhavneet Singh, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Why you never raise your hand in the class, Bhavneet? Are you afraid of raising your hand?
No, sir.
Why always Abhishek and Maulik? Why not you? Tell me now, DDL commands.
Sir, DDL drop table and alter table.
Drop table and it is alter table. Very right. All the commands which are in relation to the table, which are in connection to the table. Okay. DML command. Yes. Sukhmani, unmute yourself. Yes, Sukhmani, am I audible? Yeah. You tell me DML commands. Am I audible to you, Sukhmani?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sorry, sir, I don't know.
Why? The answer is clearly on the notepad now. DDL की कमांड भवनीत ने बोल दी तो जो रहेगी वो DML ही होंगी. Try it now.
Insert into update.
Yes. Insert into and update.
Update.
These are DML commands. Why so tough? Okay. All right. Okay. Read this question carefully. 10th question. Charu has to create a database with the name My Earth. She now needs to create a table named City in the database. पहले तो उसका ये database है. उसके बाद City नाम का table है. Okay. The table City has this structure. Table City, जो table City बनाना है, उसका ये structure होना चाहिए. It should have city code, type character, string, primary key होनी चाहिए, city name, character 30 size का, size integer type, average temperature integer, pollution rate integer, population integer. Help her to complete the task by suggesting appropriate SQL command. उसने आपको layout दे दिया है and the examiner is asking you are to create the table following these guidelines. You are to write the MySQL command to create the table covering all these features. So let us start. Create table. The name of table is city. Bracket. What is the first field? City code. City code of type character, size 5, and it is primary key. So write here primary key, comma. Then is city name. This is of 30 size string. Any condition on name? Name पर कोई condition नहीं है. Okay. Then size. Size integer type. Then average temperature integer type. Pollution rate again integer type. Okay. Then you have population integer type. ये हमारी लास्ट फील्ड थी. यहां पर ये ब्रैकेट बंद और ये सेमीकोलन. बस ये चीज पूछी है आपसे एग्जामिनर ने. सो सिंपल. Am I clear? Yes, class. Am I clear to all? All right. Now moving to the next question. Write queries A to D based on the table employee and department. ये employee table है. Okay. और ये department का table है. You are to make the SQL queries. This is 11th question. First command. To display the average salary of all the employees department wise. आपके organization में different departments हैं, and in those departments employees are working. हर डिपार्टमेंट में जितने भी एम्प्लॉइज हैं उन एम्प्लॉइज की सैलरी की एवरेज हर डिपार्टमेंट में. सिलेक्ट एवरेज. व्हाट इज द फील्ड फॉर सैलरी गिवन? सैलरी ओनली. सैलरी. Okay, from employees, group by salary. Select average salary from employees, group by, oh sorry, it is saying department wise. So it is DEPTID. डिपार्टमेंट वाइज. ओके. कि हर डिपार्टमेंट में कितने जितने एम्प्लॉइज हैं उनकी सैलरी की एवरेज. नंबर 2, टू डिस्प्ले द नेम एंड रिस्पेक्टिव डिपार्टमेंट नेम ऑफ ईच एम्प्लॉय हुज सैलरी इज मोर देन 50,000. ना एम्प्लॉय का नाम एम्प्लॉय टेबल में है, डिपार्टमेंट का नाम डिपार्टमेंट टेबल में है. Here you have to make the join command. But if you want to make the join command, there has to be one field which is common in both the tables. Anybody can tell me which field is common right now? If you want to have join command, there must be one field which is common in both the tables. Anybody can tell me which is the common command? Sorry, common field. ताकि हम join बना सकें. Yes, please. Anushka, yes, you tell me, Anushka.
The department ID.
Very good. Department ID. Select name, कॉमा डिपार्टमेंट नेम फ्रॉम एम्प्लॉय कॉमा डिपार्टमेंट. When you are taking field from more than one table, from कीवर्ड के बाद दोनों टेबल्स का नाम आता है separated by comma. Where employee dot department ID should be equal to department dot department ID. इस टेबल का डिपार्टमेंट आईडी और उस टेबल का डिपार्टमेंट आईडी आपस में मैच करने चाहिए. एंड आगे क्या कहता है, सैलरी भी 50,000 से ऊपर, सैलरी मोर देन 50,000. क्लियर टू ऑल? एम आई क्लियर टू ऑल? टू डिस्प्ले नेम ऑफ एम्प्लॉइज whose salary is not known in the alphabetically order. जिन एम्प्लॉइज का नाम नहीं पता उनके नाम प्रिंट कराओ. ये देखो एक ऐसा फील्ड है जहां पे नाम है ही नहीं, जिनकी डिटेल पता ही नहीं है, जिनकी सैलरी नहीं पता. ये देखो इसकी सैलरी नहीं पता ना. ओके, सिलेक्ट नेम फ्रॉम एम्प्लॉइज where salary is null. Order by name. Clear? उसने कहा अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर, तो बट ऑब्वियस ऑर्डर बाय नेम ही होगा. Is null. Whenever you are comparing null, don't write like this. कभी भी ऐसे मत लिखना नल को कंपेयर करने के लिए. इट इज ऑलवेज इज नल, राइट? फोर्थ, टू डिस्प्ले डिपार्टमेंट आईडी फ्रॉम द टेबल एम्प्लॉय विदाउट रेपिटेशन. हु विल टेल? जल्दी बताओ. वो कहता है डिपार्टमेंट आईडी की वैल्यूज प्रिंट हो पर रेपिटेशन ना हो किसी वैल्यू की, कोई वैल्यू रिपीट नहीं होनी चाहिए. हु विल टेल? हरी अप. बहुत सिंपल है भाई, प्लीज हरी अप, बी फास्ट, टेल मी. यस आकृति.
Sir, select distinct department ID from employee.
Very right, very good. Select distinct department ID from employee. Very right. Clear? So today we have done few questions of your MySQL. Now I want to discuss one comprehension of networking. नेटवर्किंग चैप्टर जो हमारा चल रहा है उसके ऊपर एक कॉम्प्रिहेंशन आता ही आता है पेपर में. ये देखो 4 नंबर का ये कॉम्प्रिहेंशन आना ही आना है, राइट? सो लेट अस डिस्कस इट. उससे पहले रीड इट. बी हैप्पी कॉर्पोरेशन हैज सेट अप इट्स न्यू सेंटर एट नोएडा, उत्तर प्रदेश, फॉर इट्स ऑफिस एंड वेब बेस्ड एक्टिविटीज. इट हैज 4 blocks of buildings. Okay, distance between the various block is there. आपको क्या क्या दिया होगा कॉम्प्रिहेंशन में? एक तो ऐसे ब्लॉक्स का डायग्राम, सेकंड डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द बिल्डिंग्स, नंबर ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स इन ईच बिल्डिंग. These things will be given in every comprehension. First question, suggest and draw the cable layout to efficiently connect various blocks of buildings within the Noida center for connecting the digital device. वो कह रहा है एक ऐसा केबल लेआउट बनाओ कि सभी ब्लॉक्स को कनेक्शन चला जाए. When you want to draw the cable layout, remember 2-3 points in your mind. Do not change the structure of the diagram. The diagram as given, accept it as it is. ये जैसे आपको इस टाइम दिख रहा है, बिल्कुल exactly same you are to draw on the sheet. Do not change the position of any block. Second, now check which block has maximum computers. Which block is having maximum computers? Block number C. Block number C. आप ध्यान से देखो, नंबर ऑफ कंप्यूटर वाले टेबल में ब्लॉक सी में 125 कंप्यूटर है. अगर मैं एक कंप्यूटर को सर्वर बना भी दूं तो 124 क्लाइंट मेरे फिर भी हैं. माय वर्क विल गो एफिशिएंटली. जिस बिल्डिंग में सबसे ज्यादा कंप्यूटर्स हैं, सभी को वहां से कनेक्शन दे दो. ब्लॉक सी से गिव कनेक्शन टू एवरीवन. एक लाइन यहां ऐसे ड्रॉ हो जाएगी, एक लाइन ऐसे ड्रॉ हो जाएगी, एक लाइन ऐसे ड्रॉ हो जाएगी. वन लाइन टुवर्ड्स ब्लॉक ए, वन लाइन टुवर्ड्स ब्लॉक बी, वन लाइन टुवर्ड्स ब्लॉक डी. Clear to all? Am I clear to everyone? What I want to say? All right. Suggest the placement of the following devices with reason. देखो बेटा, जितना डिस्टेंस ज्यादा होगा, error will be more, signal may get degrade, signal may get corrupt. So at the longer distances, we always recommend, we always want signal should be amplify. Amplify का मतलब है सिग्नल को रिफ्रेश किया जाए ताकि वो अपनी कैपेसिटी को मेंटेन रखे. In order to amplify the signal at the longer distances, the device is repeater. Repeater will be installed at that location where the distance is more than 100 meter. 100 or more than 100 meter. तो डिस्टेंस यहां पे है. अब देखो डिस्टेंस ज्यादा कहां पे है. जहां डिस्टेंस 100 मीटर से ज्यादा है, रिपीटर वहां पे प्लेस होगा. सो रिपीटर विल बी प्लेस्ड इन ऑल द ब्लॉक्स वेयर डिस्टेंस इज मोर देन 100 मीटर. ओके. हब और स्विच. बेटा, हब इज अ डिवाइस that is used to connect multiple computers together. इसका आंसर फिक्स है. Hub will be placed in every building. Block A, Block B, Block C, Block D. Because every building has to connect their own computers together. Hub will be placed inside every building because every building has to connect their own computers together. Okay. Which kind of network, PAN, LAN, WAN, will be formed if the Noida office is connected to head office in Mumbai? चलो ये तो बता दो, ये तो आपको आता ही होगा. नोएडा से लेकर मुंबई तक अगर हमने कनेक्शन नेटवर्क बनाना है तो वो पैन होगा, लैन होगा कि वैन होगा? हु विल टेल? बेटा, इट्स अ वेरी जनरल क्वेश्चन. व्हाट यू आर थिंकिंग ऑन इट? यस अभिषेक.
सर वैन.
वेरी राइट, वैन. बट ऑब्वियस, कहां नोएडा, कहां मुंबई? राइट. ओके. विच फास्ट and very effective wireless transmission medium should preferably be used to connect head office at Mumbai with the center at Noida? Read the question and tell me the answer. In the morning only I have discussed this. Yes, please. मुंबई से नोएडा कनेक्ट करना है, वायरलेस मीडिया चाहिए। Who will tell? Radio wave, microwave or satellite? Which one you prefer? Radio wave, microwave or satellite? Which one you prefer? Yes, please come with the answers. कमाल है। Yes, Abhishek.
Sir, satellite.
Satellite. I think only Abhishek is there in the class. Rest are not 12th class students. Rest are still thinking they are in 12th class, or they are not. All right. So I open networking now. Okay, apologies, we have done. Medias we have done. So we are to proceed after the medias. Yeah. Network devices. So I was telling you in the morning that modem stands for modulator demodulation. Modulator demodulator. Computer understands digital signal. Telephone cable understands analog signal. So what modem does? Modem converts the digital signals coming from computer into analog signals so that they can travel on the telephone wire or telephone cable. Then at the receiver side, when the signal reaches the receiver side, okay, the modem does the reverse process, convert analog signal back to digital signal so that receiver computer can understand. This process is called modulation and demodulation, right? Then is Rj45 connector. I told you early in the morning only, it stands for registered jack. It is 8-wire connector which helps the user to connect computers on local area network. Router we have done. We were doing bridge. अब मैं आपको सुबह एग्जांपल दे रहा था that imagine a bridge which has connected two ends. ये वाला किनारा और ये वाला किनारा बीच में ब्रिज है, यानी दो किनारों के बीच में ब्रिज तो लिंक हो गया ना एक. Bridge acts as an interface. When the packet comes on the bridge is a very intelligent device. It checks where this packet has to go, to which part of the bridge. If the address is legal, if the address is available, if the computer for whom the message is there, bridge allows the message to go to the other side of the bridge. Otherwise it blocks it. मान लो H computer के लिए data packet है, H computer is on the other side of the bridge. So bridge will allow the packet to go to the H destination address. Otherwise it can withhold, it can block the packet. Okay. Then is hub. What is hub? Beta, hub is a device that is used to connect multiple devices together. Right? You can connect your devices via multiple ports which are available in the hub. Right? Hub are of two types. Active hub, passive hub. Beta, active hub क्या करता है? Computers तो आपस में connect करता ही करता है. It also amplifies the signal. As you move from one point to another, it amplifies, it refreshes the signal also. Passive hub क्या करेगा, एक पॉइंट से दूसरे पॉइंट में डाटा भेज देगा. It will send data from one point to other point, but will not amplify the signal. Active hub will amplify the signal. Passive hub will not amplify the signal. Am I clear? Am I totally clear up till here? All right.